Hello students, welcome back to your science class. This is your science teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. We have done chapter 1, food. Today we are going to start chapter 2, teeth and its care. What are teeth? We know that in our mouth there are bony structures which are white in color and very hard that are known as teeth. In this chapter you will learn what are the functions of teeth, how many number of teeth are there in our mouth, and how we can take care of our teeth. Now we all know that we need food to survive. All the living beings need food to survive. For example, plants, animals and human beings. And then this food is consumed and digested by all the living beings. Means कि सभी living beings है जो खाना खाते हैं and then they digest this food. But human beings have a complex system to digest it. Complex means not simple. They have a complex system to digest it. And the digestion of food starts in the mouth where teeth chew and grind it. जहाँ पर teeth क्या करते हैं, खाने को चबाते हैं और उसको मसलते हैं and then pass it into food pipe for further digestion. After mouth, the next organ in which digestion takes place is the food pipe. So the food is then sent to the food pipe for further digestion. What are teeth? Teeth are white, hard and bony structures present in our mouth and they are fixed in jaws. Jaws are the bony structure in which the teeth are fixed, and there are two jaws in our mouth, upper jaw and lower jaw, and help us in breaking down of food into smaller pieces. What teeth does? Teeth breaks down the food into smaller pieces. Now what are the functions of teeth? Teeth give proper shape to our face. You can see an old lady without teeth and a lady which is having teeth in her mouth. So you can see teeth give proper shape to the face. Second, teeth help us to speak clearly. Like tongue, teeth also help us to speak clearly. Teeth help in biting. Teeth help to chew the food. वो खाने को चबाने में help करते हैं so that it gets easily digested. So these are all are the functions of teeth. Now we are going to learn about the sets of teeth. We know that newborn babies do not have teeth. We all are born without teeth. Newborn babies के पास teeth नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है? The first tooth appears when the baby is about 6 months old. 6 months old or after 6 months old from the birth, when the first tooth appears in the mouth of a baby, the set is complete by the age of 2 years. और वो जो set है वो complete हो जाता है 2 साल तक. Now there are two sets of teeth. First one is temporary teeth and second is permanent teeth. Now what are temporary teeth? Temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth, and these teeth develop after the age of 6 months from the birth. The teeth which develop after the age of 6 months in the babies from their birth is known as temporary teeth, and they are 20 in number. This is a set of nearly 20 teeth. The first set of 20 teeth in a child is called temporary teeth or milk teeth. Next, after that, in the age of 6 years or 7 years, these teeth started breaking down, and then another set of teeth develops in the mouth which are known as permanent teeth. So the second set of 32 teeth in an adult is called permanent teeth. Means कि जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं तब उनके माउथ में दोबारा से जो टीथ डेवलप होते हैं which are 32 in number, that are known as permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are also known as adult teeth. So here is the difference. What are temporary and permanent teeth? Temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. Permanent teeth are known as adult teeth. Temporary teeth appear after the age of 6 months, but permanent teeth appear after the age of 6 years. This is a set of nearly 20 teeth. कितने teeth होते हैं? 20 teeth. And permanent teeth is a set of complete 32 teeth. Now here are some questions. Why second set of teeth is known as permanent teeth? Because the answer is because they remain for a long period of time. दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज परमानेंट टीथ. लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम मीन्स कि लंबे समय के लिए रहते हैं. दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज परमानेंट टीथ. वाई फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ टीथ इज known as temporary teeth because they remain only for short while, or you can write that they remain only for a short period of time. How are permanent teeth distributed? परमानेंट टीथ्स की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमारे माउथ में कैसे होती है? मीन्स हाउ मेनी नंबर आर देयर इन द अपर जोस and how many number of teeth are in the lower jaw. So permanent teeth are total in 32 and there are 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 teeth present in the lower jaw. Thank you.